Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting your device online and ready to use. Turn on Wi-Fi or enable mobile data, then choose the correct network and enter the password. Once connected, make sure to create or sign into a primary email account so services can verify you. This unlocks app stores, browsers, and settings. You need basic security. Set a simple screen lock and enable automatic updates. These steps let you access the web safely and set the stage for learning to browse and communicate. You now learn how to find information efficiently. Open a browser app and type concise queries into the address bar, use quotes for exact phrases, and add words to narrow results. Once done, scan results for HTTPS and familiar domain names to judge trustworthiness. Make sure to open a few tabs for comparison and use bookmarks for repeat visits. You'll also learn to identify ads versus content so you avoid scams, and to use browser history to backtrack when a path doesn't work. You finish by using the internet to communicate and securing your setup. Install a messaging app or email client, test audio and camera, and send a trial message to confirm delivery. Make sure to create strong passwords and store them safely. A password manager simplifies this. If something fails, reboot the device first, then verify Wi-Fi and app updates. These steps fix most problems. If issues persist, note error messages and contact support. This helps you resolve complex problems faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.